That will let you know that the money is available for pickup. What brand?
Update, it's bucking a lot, and I don't know if it's just from the air fuel not being hooked up. Do you want me to drive? Got the pony on the ground. You want me to drive? Let me drive it real quick.
She's a little mad, isn't she? That's the E85 life. Let's get this downpipe installed. E85 life, come on, start it back up. Oh yeah. There we go. Maybe. No. Come on, drive it over here. I am not feeling the best, so if my voice is kind of raspy, I'm sorry. There we go. Come on, bring it on in. It's so mad. It's so mad. $30,000 car and it won't even go 20 feet. Ooh-wee. Can't believe about the chin splitter. Gotta get the smallest ship out of it.
If anyone wants to sponsor me on a new one, it will be fast.
Right now, it's not running right. We have a single turbo setup, Gen 3 Coyote, 1320, Boss 302 intake, 4 fuel system. It's kind of have the works on it, and currently right now it is open. So we're going to be putting the downpipe back on it. And then putting the air fuel on it, because I think that's what's pissed off a little bit. It is tuned on E85, and it's obviously it's the dead of winter. So that is not working. It's shifting weird, okay? It's bucking super bad, and I'm really hoping it's because of the tunes freaking out because there's no air fuel. So let's get this thing up in the air, and let's get this downpipe on, and let's cut into this beautiful Mach 1 front bumper. It's kind of hurtful to say, but yeah, let's cut into it and make this thing look really freaking good. All right, let's see what this Batman Pajama is all about. First off, there is oil on so many things. That's dripping off the oil filter relocation. The drain's leaking here. The turbo drain got its fair bit of wetness going on. Somehow the wastegate has oil on it. Well then, when he said he had a mechanic to put everything back together, I didn't know it was gonna be, you know, shitty. Yeah, there's freaking oil everywhere. Even the oil pan's got oil all on it. All over it. Well, that's probably why it wouldn't stop smoking. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Great. Time to fix someone else's fuck up. Alright, let's start with tightening up the drain. Oh, hand tight. Awesome. This is some craftsmanship. I'm afraid to touch everything else. Also notice on startup that this guy is completely loose, the whole downpipe. That's just crazy to think of. That we drove home like this because the guy said it was ready. Like, this whole pipe is moving. Man, and every single oil fitting is leaking. Do you not check things before you're going, hey, car's good to go? No, it's not.
It's leaking.
Ah, man, trying to fix someone else's problem. It's like you spend this money hoping you get a good one, and it just always bites you in the ass. Always. But we're gonna make it right. We're gonna make this car the way it's supposed to. It just sucks we gotta 2 steps backwards now before we even go forward. We got the downpipe semi-leak wrapped. This is gonna be the one that's got the air fuel. Then that guy, this guy should be the one that's gonna be coming out of the side exit exhaust. I don't know where. I really hope it's one cut and I'm done, and not multiple cuts, because I really don't want to destroy the brand new Mach 1 bumper. But if I do, I'm sorry, Deanna, I owe you a new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing installed. Should be ready. I'm gonna put one more metal zip tie on it. That way the heat wrap is good. The reason I'm not doing this is because I'm gonna try to see if I can pull this whole thing out, and that way I can actually wrap it better, because the fan's right here and it kind of worries me.
I don't know, are we gonna put the piece back in and cut out the hole?
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, I mean the side would be cool. Right there.
Right now we're cutting out. We got the downpipe installed. It looks kind of gnarly. And so I need to make sure it's completely wrapped up. Because A, it's gonna melt the bumper, if not. And B, it's getting double heat wrap, so it didn't melt the bumper. So we're gonna cut this out. Hopefully it's just the 1/2 that I'm gonna cut out, and hopefully that's all, because if not, we're probably cutting up a $40–50 piece, and well, it's gonna hurt the wallet.
That should be better.
Ready to show them the final product?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, ba-bam. Look at that thing just poking out mean as hell. We did double wrap it, maybe triple. I think it's been triple, right? It's been triple wrapped. Yeah, it's triple wrapped. That way we don't melt the front bumper. And we found this random cat that came in. Hi, cat. Say hello to the world. You don't have to get so close. Shop cat. You ready to hear what an E85 single turbo 18 Mustang GT sounds like? He said, yeah. All right, well, let's do this. Go ahead and I'm gonna open up the garage door, and then you're gonna start it. I'm gonna leave it in there for now.
Yeah.
Make sure there's nothing leaking. The cat's gonna freak out, probably run away.
Yep.
But it's okay. Let's get this meat.
Oh my god!
Oh, the front splitter.
What I hit?
Oh man, you broke it right here. Oh
Shut
man.
up.
Oh man. For being a single turbo setup. I kind of want one. Leave it down below if I should buy one myself instead of the Shelby.
Ha! I'd keep my Shelby any day.
This look pretty good though. How excited are you to finally go drive this thing, like with the downpipe on? Because the first time we drove it, it was half put together.
And angry.
Yeah, super angry.
I'm really hoping the shifting is all settled now. I'm hoping that it was just the air fuel freaking itself out. I'm gonna air up this right rear tire. Apparently it was flat when we picked it up, so another thing to mark on there. We'll get this aired up. We're gonna go for a test drive. Let's go.
Here we go.
Oh yeah. No bucking so far.
No scraping. Oh, a little bit. Okay.
Oh my god. See, that makes no sense. Look at
Only
it.
at 2.
It's like bah, 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 bah. Hopefully it clears itself out, but I don't know. Go forward. You only hit 5 PSI. Are you chicken?
I got scared.
Are you chicken? 5
Yes.
PSI? That's all you got?
It sounded cool and I saw this go whoop. It does that thing.
There you go.
Go.
Alright, give us some beans. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't see jack. It's fogging in this thing. I can't see. Can't see nothing out of this glass. Oh my god, what'd you hit?
Nothing.
You didn't hit boost yet? Oh, mama! Oh my god! Oh, you 3 PSI and it feels like that? Oh my gosh!
I'm only going 100.
Oh my gosh! Alright, you like it so far? Golly! Oh my god! I think it's a little bit too cold to be doing this outside. Oh my god! So I want to say Wastegate is on 14 PSI and she hasn't even hit 14 yet, so she has no idea. So 14 PSI and you've hit what, 5 so far?
Like 5, yeah.
Like 5? You want to roll into it, see how much you can get? Do you trust it yet?
I'm a little scared and it's cold.
I'm freaking
And the
scared.
wheels are like, whoa.
We got 5. Oh, there's 7. Oh my god. Alright, that's 7. Oh my Lana. It might be faster than the Shelby. I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna turn it up. That is just gnarly the way this feels right now. That is gnarly. Just for an on-3 turbo, that is gnarly. I need a 10-speed setup, but I love my manuals. So we'll wrap this up. We're gonna check the bumper, check to make sure we're not leaking. But good purchase, bad purchase,
Good
medium,
purchase.
good, yeah.
We're
Oh
chilling.
man, we're chilling now. We're chilling. She's still got somewhere. Is it the breather? Yeah, the breather's got some oil on it. Hopefully that's nothing major. That's probably what I'm seeing smoking. It's the breather. The breather's got some condensation and water on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that could be why. It sounds cool. Nothing's melted so far. Nothing's melted. That's good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed as much as she does, because this car is gonna be one of the fastest in the group besides the red car. You know, all right. We'll see you later. Peace out.